Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to recover deleted Gmail account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily recover your deleted Gmail account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. In the first place, all you need to do is to open your Google or your browser. Now search for account recovery. Now once you search for account recovery, you can see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Click on the first link you can see over here. Now scroll down, and once you scroll down, you can see forgot your password. You can see recover your Google account or Gmail. Click on this and it's going to take you to here where you can see account recovery, recover your Google account. Now just enter your account over here, the account you want to recover. Now click on next over here, and once you click on next, you can see use your fingerprint, face or screen lock. Now click on continue over here, and in my case I'm using my face ID, and it's gonna take you to this place, so you can see welcome back. So the account is, so you can see update password. Now we have recovered our account, so you can see you can update your password now if you forgot it. So you can choose to change your password, or you can just maintain the previous one that you were using. So you can click on update password to change it, or you can click on continue and you are almost done. So you can see over here new sign in, and you can see security checkup. So with this you can easily recover your account successfully. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.